Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a butterfly jerk chicken recipe, and of course, as you can see, my jerk sauce is right here that you have already seen the video. So I just decided to say, oh, why not give you a jerk chicken recipe since I did the jerk sauce. So I'm doing it butterfly today. So guys, my Hamilton Beach is being heated, so let's prep the chicken now. So guys, I'm going to just give it some cut or score or whatever they call it to get all the sauce and the seasoning in. Just some slight cuts. Alright. So gonna add some. First and foremost, guys, before I add some, I'm going to rub it up with some olive oil just to let everything stick. Guys, make sure your hand is washed. Cross contamination. Alright. Alright, so now for the Maggi seasoning, I have to use one hand. And just sprinkle my seasoning, not much. So this, the oil on it now would make it, the seasoning stick. Makes the seasoning stick. I'm gonna turn it over and repeat the process. Olive oil. And seasoning. Whoops. Alright guys, so now I'm just going to wash my hands. Now guys, I'm going to be adding the jerk sauce. I want to rub that in. You can do this in a pan. I just choose to do it on my board because I'm doing it butterfly, so it would be best to do it on a flat surface. Turn it over. 2 spoons and just rub that in. Now guys, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes, then you will join me back as I'm about to put it on the grill because the grill is almost ready. Look at that guys, beautiful. Alright, so join me when I'm about to put it on the grill. Alright my peeps, I'm back. Now after sitting in the refrigerator for 25 minutes because I had something doing, I see the ready button came on, which was the green light. It turned off now because I opened it. So now, one last look on it. Oh, the seasoning is so potent guys. So now I'm just gonna open it up and place it on the grill. I had put oil on the surface for it not to stick. So guys, I look at it before it gets covered and start the process. So stay tuned. Alright peeps, now I'm going to flip it over and let the next side get a taste of the grill. Ooh. Guys, I've turned it a few times and add some sauce along with the oil, olive oil, to just keep the chicken moist. Look at that guys, almost there. Just gonna turn it for a couple more times and then you guys will see the finishing product. Okay my peeps, here we go with a little of my decoration on it. Now guys, look at that. Mouth watering. Now guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember, like, share, subscribe.